Look at this, everyone. He's going ahead, even though if the machine says stop, you can see. You can't see it that well, but the machine's moving, but he's going ahead through the dryers. What an idiot. Wow. Anyways, let's start up my car. There we go. Anyways, we are doing a 2020 revisit of a Petro station in Keswick. And that has a LaserWash profile scent. So yeah. Even though this ain't... So this machine should tell me to go in a second. And this is a super works wash. So here we go. Interesting how he set up the dryers and the machine still telling me to wait. Did he mess up the machine? Because what he did at the beginning? Yeah, the dryer's shutting down and the machine's telling me to wait. What do I do? I think that's the first. I think I may need to call someone. Because there's no one in the wash bay, and this machine is still telling me to wait. Wow.
Welcome to Petro Canada.
There we go.
Thank you for using your Wash and Go card. Please drive ahead.
Okay, here we go at last. Okay, that was really interesting. So yeah, let's see how well for washed it for a second. I will park right here. So my dryers did really round for sides, except for here. They round for back. Didn't quite get all of this off again. Didn't do really round for back. I guess I ran out of dryer time. There used to be dirt right here, and it got all of that off, which is the main thing. Clean the tires really well. Dryers didn't do well here. And oh wow, it did a much better job here than the last washes I did, but it still left a little bit dirt here. That's a hard spot to get off my car, and the dryer didn't do well on the boot. So yeah. So let me know what you think in the comments below on this one. Do you recommend this one? Overall, I think, in my opinion, I heavily recommend this LaserWash Pro faster than the Petro Super Wash in Keswick. Despite the malfunction at the beginning, it did a really nice job. So yeah, definitely highly recommended. Have a Petro Super Wash here. So yeah. If you get gas, or if you get gas like I did before I filmed it, it was $14.99. You will also see the wash options too, because I took in a photo of it before I pumped gas. And in fact, when I got in gas here, it is really cheap, because if you look back there, I got in gas for 69 cents point 8. This is probably the most cheapest gas I ever gotten for 20 bucks. So yeah, that's a really nice price, I guess, for the coronavirus too. So yeah, I'm happy to make a car wash video for you, for all, today. So yeah, once again, let me know what you think of the comments below. I think they should add the new superfoam in this wash, like retrofitted it. Because that would be a really nice thing to add on. And plus, I'm surprised they still using the old signage. Not like the Petro and Mirlock Drive, where they put in brand new signage last year, planning on doing a revisit there. So yeah, overall nice wash. So yeah, let me know what you let me know what you think in the comments below. So yeah, that's gonna be it. That's a LaserWash 4000 at the Petro Super Wash in Keswick. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.